Alrighty, in today's video, we are checking out another product from EZVIZ. They did hook me up with their indoor wireless camera. We've previously checked out their outdoor camera. I'll leave the link in the description down below or a link on screen here to check it out if you haven't checked that one out already. But let's check out their indoor camera, and without further ado, let's hop straight into the unboxing. Hopping into the unboxing here, we do have obviously the camera in front of us here. Again, a few different things around the box about the camera. We're not going to go through that because that is not fun. So let's unbox it and let's check it out. We do get our user manual here to actually connect up the camera. Get some accessories in the box. First accessory we do get is a USB-A to USB-C cable. I think we have a magnetic base pads here. So I think there's to be able to stick to different objects as well, which is good to have in the box. I think that's it. Apart from that, we get the camera here, which is a lot bigger than I actually thought. And here is the camera itself. Let's take this plastic off. Alright, beautiful EZVIZ logo there. Now apparently this base is magnetic as well, which is going to be interesting to check out. So I just checked it out and it is magnetic. I will show you guys that as well. But yes, the base is magnetic, can confirm. So these are the three things we do get in the box. And yes, first of all, it is a very plasticky design, but for inside the house, I don't think it really matters. I think it will be just fine. Rubber feet at the bottom so nothing gets scratched. On and off button, I guess there. That's the USB-C input right there for charging, and the micro SD slot for putting your micro SD card in there for external storage. We also do have the speaker on the back here as well, so for two-way audio, which is good. And obviously the camera on the front with, again, the built-in night vision and motion detection sensors all there as well. So let's get this powered on and let's check it out. Alrighty, I have set the camera up. As you guys can see now, I am recording with the EZVIZ indoor wireless camera. It is set up. Personally, I think it looks really similar to the outdoor camera, obviously just an inside version, and it is cheaper as well. But this is kind of in a low light environment, which I guess inside is what you normally will get, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to turn off the lights now to see what it looks like in the dark. Alright, I've cut all the lights now, and this is what it looks like at night with pretty much no light, and obviously the IR sensors turned on, so it is recording in black and white because it is recording in the dark. This is the difference in quality. I think with the IR sensors it does look really good as well. So that is the two examples of with color and with the IR in low light environments, and I guess with no light at all, and this is what it looks like. My thoughts on the indoor CB1 EZVIZ wireless camera. I like it for what it is. It's worth $90, so it's a very cheap camera, but it doesn't really lack in quality, I guess. It only is 1080p. If you are looking for something with more quality like 4K or 2K, this isn't the camera for you. But for what it is, I think it does the job just fine. One of my favorite features is that it's a wireless camera, so you don't actually have to have it plugged in. You can choose to have it plugged in, but if you don't want to, it is wireless. You can put it anywhere you want, and it just works. You plug and play as long as it's got Wi-Fi connection. Obviously, it's inside because it's an indoor camera. You will have no problems with it. The only thing I would say is there is apparently you can zoom into 8 times with the camera. I wouldn't recommend doing that. You do lose a lot of quality once you start zooming in because you are digitally zooming in, you're cropping in. It doesn't actually have a 8x lens or camera, I guess, if you would say. So I would just stick to how the camera is as it is there. I wouldn't be zooming in, but apart from that, I don't really have a problem with it. It's been pretty good. The other thing I did realize that it doesn't actually have lights on it like my exterior camera from EZVIZ that actually turns on like a floodlight kind of a thing. Obviously, because it's inside, it doesn't need that, I guess. So that's one thing to bear in mind. So if you're looking for a camera with lights that you want inside, this doesn't have that. So apart from that, I think the camera's pretty good. My exterior one that they did send me for the outside is worth $149. This one is $89. So it is significantly cheaper for this camera. But again, it is limited to the inside. But if you want it in a bedroom or in a study or even in your kitchen, this is a really good camera for that. And again, it is wireless, so you can put it anywhere you want. And the battery lasts apparently up to 40 days on a single charge. Again, with my experience with the outdoor camera, it does vary. I think I got about a month of usage out of it, and that was rated for about 3 months of usage, I think, or even 4 months. But depending on how much you use it, on how much the camera is being activated, it just decreases the battery life, I guess. So the less you use it, the more it will last. But again, it is obviously totally up to you how much the camera is used. Again, if you can have it plugged in, especially the inside one, because it is obviously indoor, you can have it plugged in. It's a lot easier. I would recommend, because you'll never have to actually charge it again. But if you can't, it would last, I reckon, at least 3 weeks I believe, on a charge. So that is pretty good, again, depending on usage. If you are looking for an inside camera, check out EZVIZ. They have hooked me up again. I really do appreciate it. I would love, honestly, to check out some of their other cameras. They've got a lot of cameras on a 360 swivel, which would be awesome, and also one that's got 2 lenses built in, which would be awesome. So one with a telephoto lens and just a normal wide angle lens. So it would be awesome to check out those cameras. EZVIZ, if you're listening, please send them out so I can check them out and show everyone what they're all about. So if you have enjoyed, smash the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And this has been the EZVIZ indoor wireless camera. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week with another video.